everyone, I'm back with my makeup on, and today's video I am gonna show you how to remove my makeup. So there's nothing so special about it. I am gonna remove my makeup with my DIY makeup remover. I made this makeup remover like a few months ago and I still have more. And also, if you want to know how to make this, click the iCards up. So this is it, and this is how it looks. No, you cannot see, it's all white. So this is like this, and to remove my makeup is I really need this. It's easy, and this is homemade. So see that? Right. So this is homemade, and there is no chemical that I put in it. Just like it's only pure home for household thingy. So for my eyes, I use this kind of wipes because that one is so watery. So this one is for my eyes, and because I don't want my eyes with a lot of water. I'm in love with you. So let me done with that, and my face is pretty clean right now. And then I am gonna use this is aloe vera gel. So I need to do this because to clean up my face and then wash my face after. So guys, every time I put a heavy makeup, I always put a mask after, because it is really important to take good care of your skin after you put a lot of makeup, because when you're gonna get a breakout, it's kind of annoying because the breakout is really hard to hide. That's the problem. So if you're not a professional hiding, or if you're not a pro hiding your breakout, it's gonna be hard. So this is how I prevent the breakout. Comment down below if what is your routine after you put makeup. I know a lot of you put a lot of makeup like me, so let me know what is your routine after the makeup, after the heavy makeup. So it's always like this to maintain my no pimple face. So this is just me. I just want to be extra. So as you can see now, my face is pretty clean. So I'm just gonna go and wash my face and come back in a moment. So to have my moisturizer. So
a few moments later.
guys, I am back. I already washed my face with Cetaphil, and where's my Cetaphil are? So I use this facial thing, this kind facial cleanser of Cetaphil. So this is what I use for washing my face. I have extra because I like extra. So I have extra in here in case maubos yung isa. So kailangan nating handa. And then after I wash my face with Cetaphil, and I need to put moisturizer kasi medyo nag-tight siya mga besh. And medyo nag-ano siya, parang nabanat siya ba. So for my moisturizer, I am gonna use this Amethyst moisturizer. If you wanna use this kind of stuff, this is really good stuff, and you can check the iCards up also or my description down below. I make a review of this, impression or review, something like that. So this is really good. I love this product. So this is my moisturizer, and it's almost gone, but because I'm extra, I still have a pack of moisturizer and a pack of peeling mask. So this is different brand, and you know me, I love extra. So it's almost gone, but I can still use this. So this is to moisturize my face. So as you can see, I don't have any breakout, and I'm waiting to have a breakout because I'm ready to shut down my breakout. So I love this stuff, guys. If you're in the United States or you're in United Kingdom, if you wanna buy this kind of peeling wash and moisturizer, it is worth your money, and believe me, I've been using this for a long time. Not really long time, but it last year. So, and it smells really good. So I am gonna make a follow-up review of this because, you know, I don't make a review of the product without using it or without like finishing it. So this is my second bottle. So pangalawa ko na yan, and it's about time to make a review. So and same thing na kailangan nating i-lift yung ating face pataas kasi kailangan yun. So there you have it. So after the heavy makeup, put this kind of product. This is Peter Thomas Roth cucumber mask. This is it. For after my makeup, I got a lot of those. I got pumpkin, I got iris more, and I got stem cells, and I got 24K. So you know me, a lot of extra. I want to be extra. So this one is the moisturizer that I love the most. I love this kind of product, and if you're interested of getting this, get this now, because so you will try what I am saying. So my face is 100% clean, and I'm ready to go to sleep because it is already what, 2:35 in the morning, and I think that's all for today, guys. This video is not like this video is not so special because it just show you how to remove your heavy makeup and then what's your routine. So all of the ladies out there, it always have routines. So if you can share with me what is your routines, and comment down below, and then I'll see what I can do. I'll see if I can help you guys.